Okay, let's read Nate the book. Brother Bear, said Sister impatiently, are you going to take all day to pick up your books? Sister and Brother Bear and Bear Country Library. Sister, okay. Wow! The teddy bear is like you who loves books. Reading as well, all the family together. Because you started. And wow! The book is about wood. Here is the dad saying woo. And there is the evening. Everyone is now sleeping. Little bear is so scared. This is why be careful of what we read. They are afraid. Some is laughing because they're afraid. And now they ate dinner. And now the baby is going up, up, up. And now the dad is bringing candle. Wow! The dad is bringing candle and watch. And there you are, finish! Finish!